I'm at Playa, Las Américas Beach, and this is a wee walking tour to the Golden Mile. Now, it's one of the best beaches in Las Américas, really just to go and chill out if you like. Now, it's one of the most chilled out beaches in Tenerife. You see, it's a favourite for the surfers. Just look how many surfers are out there. Look at that. The actual beach itself is a mix of rocks and sand, so I don't think it's entirely kid friendly, but it is nice to sit and watch the surfers.
Graba.
Alright, my man. We'll get a restaurant here. Well, a few different restaurants along here. Chicken nugget and chips, €10.50. Me and Jacqueline were in there yesterday and she really liked it. She got a hot dog and chips, really liked it. Not sure how to pronounce this. Fund group or something like that. I don't know if this is their thing, they're trying to be like alley hop, the cow outside, whatever that is. See, just loads of surfers. It's a beautiful walk, this. So I'm going to take you and show you the Conquistador Hotel, which is just up here, and then onto the Golden Mile. And there's the alley hop. There's actually 3 in Las Américas. This one and one either end of the Golden Mile. Nice big gift shop there. Usually I buy a lot of gifts, but I've bought one fridge magnet. That's all I bought. You should see my fridge. It's just covered with fridge magnets. It's amazing. Been so many places the past few years that I just get fridge magnets everywhere I go. And I'm going to pronounce this wrong, but there's the H10 Conquistador, something like that. I struggle with it, I really do. And for a beach hotel, it's one of the best, if not the best, one to stay at for Las Américas. Now the other day we stayed at the Hard Rock Hotel, Tenerife, and absolutely loved it. We stayed in the Rock Royalty Suite. I'm going to have to stitch that video together, but at some point I'll release that and you'll be able to see that. I loved it, it was a really good hotel. And it's one of those hotels that's it's more than just a hotel, it's an experience. And me and Jacqueline, we loved it. It was great. And Jacqueline wasn't here when this happened. Went to go into the lift, and I don't mean this to sound boastful, I was only there for one night, just to film it. Figured it'd be good for the channel. But I was walking into the lift and this couple were in, and they pressed level 1, and they asked me what level, and I says level 15 please. And see the look they gave me, the guy was put his hand up to press it and he kind of paused. Felt like a billionaire. And if he's happened to stumble upon this video, no, I'm not a billionaire, but I do get around a lot and I do stay in a lot of nice hotels, as you can see on my channel. So we came out, so this is actually my second time in Tenerife and I've absolutely loved it. It's great, it's a beautiful place. Now I should say, I'm not an expert in Tenerife, I just know bits of it. and a lot of what you see in my channel you're seeing for the first time, except for maybe Benidorm and here. Benidorm I know really well, go there all the time, and I love Benidorm. I only wish I started filming at the start of all my holidays, because I just loved it. I went so many different places, went on a cruise and stuff. I've had a great time. So I'm just going to show you how handy it is to stay at the Conquistador to go on the beach. It's very much like the H10 Big Sur in Los Cristianos. There's a wee door there, so if you can see that, it's got the H10 sign on it. You can just scan yourself out there and you're straight onto the beach. And look at that. Now I'm going to show you the Golden Mile. I'm not actually going to show you the full thing, I'm just going to show you the start of it so you know where you're going. The alley hop shop is just up here as well. I should say, I'm thinking about it. I said there was 3 alley hops in Los Cristianos. Sorry, just thinking about it. I said there was 3 alley hops in Las Américas. Now I'm just thinking, there's the one up there and there's the one just here, and I says there's another one at the end of the Golden Mile. It's actually not at the end of the Golden Mile, it's at the end of Playa Las Vista Beach. And it could be argued that it's actually Los Cristianos. I'm not sure. Need an expert, so if anybody knows Scotsman Kevin, tell him to let me know. Scotsman Kevin, he's my inspiration for doing this, and he's the man for Tenerife. He knows a lot of people, knows all the bars, the restaurants. I just know a few that I've tried and liked. I'm more the type to go and see the sights and go and sit around the pubs. Do go to the pubs, but I want to see the place. So for hotels and bars and stuff, Kevin's your man. But for an overall, I just do walking tours and I show you what hotels and coastal walks and things. And this isn't a coastal walk. So here we are. This is the start of the Golden Mile, and there's the first alley hop. See the famous cow outside it. So just walking down here. It's a hot day. Oh, I can't wait to finish and go for a cold Guinness. I've been on the go since about 7:30, on my feet the whole time. So I've been on the go since 7:30. I walked all the way to Adeje filming, and I've just came back here to film a couple of Las Américas videos on my way back, and it's now 11:45. I'm going to be in trouble with Jacqueline, and it's now 1:45. I'm going to be in trouble with Jacqueline. The life of a YouTuber. Anyway folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share. Check out my other videos. I'm doing a whole series of videos around Tenerife, especially Los Cristianos, Las Américas and Costa Adeje. And also, wait till you see the Hard Rock Hotel. We had a great time. Thank you very much folks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.